Hello and welcome back, and in this video we'll take a look at the vertical grid lines, or also known as the levels, right? So we are currently in south elevation. This is the continuation of the previous video. Like in the previous video we talked about the grid lines in the horizontal or in the transverse view. So these are the grid lines that we have created, and we have just started to look the elevation, right? So these are the predefined grid lines. I'll zoom it further so you can understand much better. Right, so the level 1 is default, which is the 0 feet and 0 inches, which is the ground level. And then we have got levels underneath the ground level, as well as the levels that are above, like the superstructure probably, right? So we can even change the name, like, so the level, this is the level, and this is a level indication, right? So we can change the name. Say for example, I'm gonna change the level 1 to, you can even call floor level. Let me go to floor level, right? It says, would you like to rename corresponding view? Yes. All right. And then the level 4 is something like some distance beneath that. But you can see since there isn't any space, and you can see it is curved, and it has, originally it will be like this, like so, that will be really disturbance for the ground floor. So, or if you move it, like, then everything gets moved, right? So I press Ctrl Z to make it happen, right? So in that case, I can probably use this particular thing to pull down, so that I can probably have it, this being fixed, and I can have somewhere like below that or something like that. Or if you want to make the view cube to be visible at the other side, you can probably go to this particular thing, can traverse here, and you can click on this so that the view cube is the side, and you have to remove that that particular other direction, right? So by clicking here, and you can uncheck that, so that will move the everything here, and F level or something. Or if I want to change the the position, I can even do that by 1 feet down. If I want to keep 1 feet down, then I just put -12, and it's automatically updated, right? So that's the power of Revit, right? So that's how you make up the elements here. Like, this is the other side, and similarly you can probably rectify the other things, like here they say footing and so on, right? Then level 2 roof, I'm gonna delete the roof. So let me delete the roof by click here, and I press delete button. So in it's in 2 elements, like one view will be deleted, like roof will be deleted, and it's okay. So in the floor plan, you can see the different levels. The roof is deleted. Let me bring it back by pressing Ctrl Z. You can see the roof here, and there's a roof here. So if I delete here in the elevation, the roof in the floor plan also gets deleted. Let me do that. I click here, and I delete it by pressing delete. You can see that's gone, right? So that's the parametrism, like that's the power of Revit, right? So let me open this for you. Right, so let's talk about levels. Like, I'll click go to architecture and go to level. There's only 2 methods. One is to copy the existing, or pick place method. Let me go to levels. I can copy here, like for example I can start drawing it like from left to right. So when I do like this from left to right, or you can even do right to left, right? So I'm gonna click it, go and modify. You see level 8. The reason is that level 2, then after that level different levels were developed, level 3 and so on, and with includes roof probably would have been level 7. They have renamed it, so it's level 8, right? So something like that. or I can change this to probably intermediate level. So IL, I just put, this is my nomenclature, so I just put IL. You can see level 8 is here in the project browser, and floor plan I'm gonna rename it as IL. So I'm gonna click S, right? So you see IL happens here. So that's one of the problem, because it categorizes like alphabetically, right? So I'm not gonna do that. Say for example, I'll just wanted to leave it with level 05, right? Let me change that, and you can see it automatically goes below 02, 03, 04, and 05 and something like that, right? So while we create a case study, let's discuss on how to do that so that these numbers does not change, or we'll change it as per alphabetical order, or even we'll give it some like A00, A01 and something like that, so that it is pretty coherent, right? Right, so it's 26 feet above. So let me give us like 13 feet 6 inches, like this. Right, so it has now become 13 feet 6 inches. Or if I want to take it, because this is 13 feet from the ground, like the 10 feet is level 2 and floor level is 00. So say for example, if it is 10 feet, the difference between this and this, then it should be like the 20 feet. Say let's take 20.75, which is 20 feet 9 inches. Let me give that, and it's 20 feet 9 inches. That's a pretty good conversion. Something in terms of meters, like 3000 or I beg your pardon, 3 meters, 3m, and I give go. You can see it's pretty much 9 feet 10 1 by 8. Or I want to have some 5000 millimeters. Well, it's quite a good thing, right? So it is 16 feet 4 to something like that, right? So it's automatic, right? So there's only two things in the level, just the copy, this is the line creation, and then the pick line methods. Pick line methods is what pretty much every student likes, because it's pretty easy, and it is used when you know the offset, like for example, the other floors, like floors, level 6 and 7 will have a predefined thing. Say for example, the next floor will be like 10 feet, right? So I give an offset. You can see if I cover over down, it creates downward. So that's not what I really interested. So I just cover over it and above, and then it will create level 6 automatically with an increment of 10 feet. Like say in the next one, I'll just have 12 feet increment, then it gets 12 feet increment, and so on. You can continue if the dimensions does not change. Say in this level 10, it will be just only 4 feet, right? 4 feet 9 inches, something like that, right? So I gotta go here and just, right? So once I finish, I'll go to modify, and this will be my elevation, right? You can rename it like a floor level, then first floor, second floor, and whatever might be. But there is a way in which you can do that, so that your project browser, like you see so many levels have created. That is because that we have created so many things. And then you can even see corresponding floor level, like level 6. You can see the grid lines, horizontal grid lines that is drawn previously, and then that will be useful for the other levels also, right? So it's a very good way of doing the levels and the grid lines, right? I hope you really enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.